Hello everyone, my name is Kelly, and today we're going to be doing a beginner ukulele lesson for children. I have my son Cody with me today. He is amazing and he is dressed for the occasion. You are good to go, my friend. Make sure your ukulele is in tune before you do this video. Why don't you just try strumming your strings, see what that sounds like. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. Alright, so if we were to just like kinda make stuff up here. Yeah, we can start by making things up. Yeah, let's start by strumming the strings. So you can use your thumb to strum the strings like this. Try using your thumb like this. There you go. Yeah. Or you can make your fingers look like you're holding a pick. You could actually hold a pick. I have one here. You could actually hold a pick. Or if you don't have a pick, you can make it look like you're holding a pick with your fingers like this, kind of like that. That's what you're doing, right, Code? Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by counting our strings. So we have 4 strings on the ukulele, and when we count them, we count from the bottom actually down here. So let's find the first string down here together. There you go. Found that? Yeah, there we go. And then let's just try counting like this. We'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty good. And one more time on that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, your ukulele and mine sound a bit different because I swapped out on my ukulele this G string here with a lower one. Try yours. Yeah, so his sounds higher. That's probably the way that yours is gonna sound as well. So we have 4 strings on the ukulele and they're numbered 1 to 4 starting on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's try going 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. My dog has fleas. It doesn't really have fleas, but for some reason that's the tune we sing when we play the strings of the ukulele. My dog has fleas. Now that we have our strings numbered and figured out, we're gonna count some frets. So the frets on the ukulele are the metal things that go up and down, like you can see here. There's fret here, fret here, fret here, fret here, fret here, fret here, fret. Lots and lots of frets on the ukulele. So we can practice counting frets by placing our finger down at the very end on this white thing right here. Can you try doing that? Put your finger down on the end on this white thing. And then sliding it over a little bit so that it's in between the metal fret itself and the plastic thing. Yeah, there you go. That's the first fret. That's the first fret. Oh, so you got you're playing the first fret on the first string down there. So yeah, if you push down on the bottom string, the first string right here, really hard on the string. Also zoom in shot here. Zoom. So go down. Let's go back down here to 1 like that. Put your finger there, and we don't even have to play. We'll just count 1, and then we'll slide our finger over 2, 3. 4, 5, and we're on the 5th fret. It has a dot there, and then and then we'll go 6, 7, that's another dot, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. That's all of them, right? You have 12 frets? 12 frets?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, 12 frets, okay. So his ukulele has 12 frets. Mine has 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 frets. So counting frets is important because when you play a song or a melody, you have to know how to find the frets on the ukulele, and the only way to do that is to count. So we can count strings and we can count frets. Strings go up and down, and our frets go right and left. The farther right you go, the higher the number fret. So you get higher notes if you play up here. Yeah, nice. Let's practice finding certain frets. So let's go to the first string down here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna count to the 5th fret. You can use your pointer finger to hold down the string if you want. That's what Cody's doing. That's what I'm doing as well. Or your thumb? Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a song. It's called Walk Don't Run. It sounds like this. Basically, it's 5 5 5 3 3 3 1 1 1 0. play the string open, which is 0. You don't push down. All on the bottom string. Whoa! Way to go, Code! That's okay. Let's do it again. That's right, yeah, so 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 0. Nice. Okay, that's pretty good. So that's Walk, Don't Run. That's an old surf rock song, and you've probably heard people say before, walk, don't run. Have you heard that before? Don't run? No? Okay, we're gonna play a classic song here called Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This is gonna be on the bottom string again, the first string. And what we're gonna do is, it sounds like this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start by playing the string open twice. 0, 0, that's right, yeah. And then we have to go all the way up to the 7th fret. And you're gonna do that twice as well. Yeah, if you wanna start it again, you can, so 0, 0, 7, 7. And then you do 9, 9, 9, 7. And then one more 7. Yes, okay, so 0, 0, 7, 7, 9, 9, 7. All right, good. And so the second half of it is 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, 0. 5, 5. Yes! Okay, let's just review that. So if you break it in half, it would be 0, 0, 7, 7, 9, 9, 7. And then 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, 0. Yeah, way to go. Okay, so one thing you might notice is when you're trying to find frets, is that some of the frets have dots on them. 5, 7, and 10 and 12 are the frets that have dots on my ukulele. And what are they on yours?
5, 7, 10.
5, 7, and 10. Okay, cool. So the dots on the ukulele can help you to find frets quickly. So if you memorize that there's a dot on 5 and 7, then you can just look down and go, okay, this is 5, this is 7, instead of counting up. You can still...
These.
Oh yeah, so yes, there are dots on this part of the neck as well. So yeah, you see that? All right, nice. We're also gonna learn how to play a chord today. Chords are when you hear somebody like strumming the strings, like playing multiple strings, like this, exactly like that. Yes, right, right, right. Instead of playing just one string or one note at a time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play the chord C major. We're gonna go down to the bottom string again, and we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna hold at the 3rd fret in the bottom string. Then while you're holding that, you're gonna strum all the strings like this. It sounds like your ukulele went a little out of tune, so we're just gonna double check that. That can happen, that's okay. Okay, we got that. Okay, we have our C major. Oh, that sounds really nice. All right. So we're just going to do a basic rhythm, which is to do this. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. Yes. When you do that, I would just say repeat it. Just see if you can do it a few times. That's really good. Okay, so that is a very basic rhythm that you can practice over and over again. It's 3 strums, 3 quarter notes, and 1 rest. You can also, when you do that code, you can also just keep this finger held down when you do the rest. You can just keep it down like that and not move it. It'll actually make it easier. We're going to try one other strumming pattern with the C major today, which is to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for your learning. And thank you so much to my son, Cody, who is the star of the show today. Have a good day, everyone.
Bye.